Generative AI is not intelligent. I really mean that. The more you get to learn about LLMs and how they function, what they do when they take a photograph or a Word document or a Python script or you name it, doesn't matter, some audio, whatever the data is. The more you learn about what it does to process that information and how it makes a decision, the less it seems like intelligence at all, not even close. And the more it seems to be a dumb machine. Now the output is quite remarkable, and they're handy. The tools are handy. Like, I use it every day. I love it. I love technology. I always have. I love playing with it. I love making stuff. I love putting things together. I love figuring out what I can do. But these things we gauge generative AI upon are merely the outcomes. And the outcomes mean something to us. They don't mean anything to it. Even the process means nothing to it because there is no meaning. There is no experience. There is no phenomenological reality for the AI. It's simply processing of zeros and ones of data. It doesn't even know language. So when you give it a document to process, it doesn't read the damn thing. It turns it into a string of numbers. And they all fly through the algorithm, through this so-called brain, this neural network, this composite of hardware and software. And it spits out a result. Now, it's difficult to even wrap your brain around what goes on in there. And the people who made it don't even know what's going on in there. It is incredible. However, calling it intelligent is a bit of a stretch for me, because intelligent goes beyond the explicit. It goes beyond the output. It's more than simply the output or the outcome. When I'm working with people, whether it's in football or in business or otherwise, and I'm training and coaching, I talk about the idea of process over outcome. And the phenomenological experience of human beings is in the process. It happens now. And the only value that the output has is to inform the process. And when you and I get hung up on the outcome, that's where our performance begins to deteriorate. The LLM doesn't give a shit about the outcome.